Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat app icon. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Snapchat, but before I do, you can see it just has the regular app icon, the yellow background with the white coast that's synonymous with Snapchat. Now I can tap on that, and I'll tap on my profile icon at the very top left here, and then I'll tap on the gear at the top right, and you can see right under email is Snapchat Plus, and I can tap on that. And Snapchat Plus gives us the ability to change our icon. You can see at the bottom here is a 7-day free trial. We can do this for 7 days. We can cancel at any time in those 7 days, and we won't be charged. Or you can pay by month or by year. It's about $40 a year. Now, at the very top here, I can hit Learn More. And then you can see here is Custom App Icon/Themes, and I can tap on that. And it says as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you can choose your unique appearance of your Snapchat app icon on your iPhone or Android home screen. And you can scroll down and you can see all of the different options that it gives you. Of course, the traditional option, but you have all these different colors and different themes that you can change your app icon to. And this is just one of the packages or features that's involved with this Snapchat Plus subscription. So you can do this and you can change it at any point that you want to all of these really cool features. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.